Here we are at the Furnace Creek Inn. We are just leaving our villa.
Hi.
Pat is driving. I drove us here. She's driving us to dinner.
I'm doing the hard work. This is all of 3 minutes. He only did 8 hours.
So with our villa comes a golf cart that we can take to the pool.
Wherever we want to go.
These villas, Casitas, surround the property in a perimeter.
In the middle of the desert.
In the middle of Death Valley.
In the middle of the desert.
I think our elevation is still below sea level.
We are. We're 100 feet below.
At one point we were close to 200 below.
Having trouble breathing.
This is the pool area. We took a dip before dinner. Here is the Palm Grove.
And in the distance is the bad water and...
There's bad water.
Yeah, this is it. Oops. Yeah, I thought it was that. Oh, look at this.
And
Right
into
above
this
the
grove.
aloe verdens. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh.
And then back to the inn itself.